welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are going to be playing with these magic rollers that we done seen on the tube. I went ahead and bought some rollers and I have separated them all because when they come, and I got them off eBay, I think. I'll put the link below, of course. But when they come in like these separate Ziploc bags or whatever, but they come with the big ones and small ones in the inside. I really wish that I could have chose which size I wanted, but you can't. They have the big one in there and they have this little one. And I'm going to be using the big ones. I think I got a total of about 60 of them. I did. So I have 30 big ones and I have 30 small ones. So for the small ones, I'm just going to use that in my bang area. You guys should already know, a girl got a bang. So I still kind of want that bang look. So I feel like these smaller rollers will be perfect for right here. But everything else, I'm going to try to work with just the 30. I haven't really looked at how many everybody else have been using, but I have seen a lot of other videos. Y'all, they talking about this shit on dry, and I'm a little bit like, ooh, that ain't really nothing nobody want to hear. Talking about they sit under their dryers and stuff for a long time and ain't drying. Friend, look at my hair. Anyway, people been saying that this is not dry. So you guys know I never really come out of the shower like this, but I've already shampooed, conditioned. I know y'all feel like y'all can't take me serious because I can't even take myself serious, but I've already shampooed, conditioned, deconditioned, all that kind of stuff. But instead of putting like a plastic cap on, I just braided my hair, put little two plaits right here, picked it up like that, and clipped it up like y'all saw. And I have been letting this sit for like an hour, so I let it dry. It's still damp, like right up in here, but it's kind of dry, so that's what I wanted. Because I ain't trying to be here all day drying no hair. I think I'm going to sleep in them. And I'm going to sit under the dryer. But yeah, girl, ain't nobody finna do all this work and this stuff not be dry. So I was like, let me let this air dry a little bit. So it's still wet because I braided it. It takes a long time for a thick braid like this to even dry. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like, you guys. Boom, boom. Ain't no curl pattern at all, and that's what we need. Let me go ahead and section off my hair, and then I'm going to talk to you guys about the products I'm going to be using. I've sectioned off the back, as you guys can see. The products I'm going to be using, I already put the kinky curly knot today because I'm not finna play with y'all today. I need this to dry, okay? So I put some a little lightweight, and I added a spray to this, y'all, and I've been adding water to this kinky curly. Every time I get about right here, I add more water, and it don't even look like I added no water, do it? I done added water to this about 3 times. This stuff is so potent. It's crazy, but I love it. So, yeah, the kinky curly knot today is on my hair. Wanted something very light. And I'm just going to be using a foaming lotion. And I have to stick to Nairobi, honey. I know a lot of y'all be using a lot of other stuff, but Nairobi is the OG. Like, I don't know. I'm going to use Nairobi and that's it. Because I feel like it's got the most holding power. So I'm going to put some of the Nairobi foaming wrapping lotion in my hand. That might be too much because I always overdo it. Like I said, the leave-in is already on my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the foaming lotion. And then I'm going to brush it out with my Tangle Teezer. And I get this from the Tangle Teezer website. So I will link that below for you guys. I know a lot of people were asking me. I like to hold it really, really tight so that when I'm rolling it around this roller, we ain't gonna have no problems. And I'm about to go ahead and open them all up too, y'all, because I feel like I'm not gonna want to do this every time I get ready to do one. Here's what the roller looks like. So I'm about to just, I don't know, just wrap it around. Shoot, friend, I don't know. How you do it? Shoot, I don't know, girl. Just wrap that thing on. I ain't even got no mirror, y'all. Whatever. So I'm gonna roll it all the way up. And then clip the thing on. Like that right there. Yeah, that's right on the first try. Okay. Okie dokie, friend. Okie dokie. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to open all these up, y'all, because what we're not finna do is be about to twist it up and then we ain't got one. So I'm gonna open it up and then I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna do a few in the back and I'm gonna come back and show y'all after I get the rhythm. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. I'm not gonna lie, this didn't take me no time to do these 4. Let's play some music. All right. I'm done. I'm done. Okay, so I put the smaller ones, like I said, where my bang area is, because that hair was shorter. I'm going to sit under the dryer, then go to bed, and probably sit under the dryer again in the morning. I don't know. It all depends on how I feel. But you guys know I did use lighter product. All that's on my hair is the Kiki Curly Knot Today and the Nairobi Foam. So these are pretty lightweight, so my hair should not be that bad to dry. I didn't want to use any cream products because the theory, these holes ain't gonna let enough air in to dry. So but yeah, just keep y'all fingers crossed for me, and I'll see you guys when I'm ready to take them out. Yeah. All right, so I don't know if they're dry. And I'm looking, I'm like, what happened to him? Look at this. But let me tell y'all, I really ain't got the time to keep these in my hair no more. And if I need to redo my hair, I need to do it ASAP because my mom coming this weekend. So I sat under the dryer for an hour yesterday. And I just sat under the dryer for 30 minutes today. And of course, I slept in these as well. And it is actually late in the day. It's 4:37 the next day. So if this shit ain't dry, it ain't even worth buying. I'm just be honest. If my hair is not dry, I'm going to tell you right now, it's not worth buying. All right, let's go. Let's go. Okay, I ain't gonna get happy. Show ain't. Nope. Not at all. But that's dry. And that's dry too. This is wet. This is wet. Right here is wet. I'm gonna wrap it back on here. Maybe this is just too much hair on this one. It's time to just say forget it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out. There's no reason for me to even try to save any of these because I have been drying for way too long. Like, nobody has the time to do this. The thing of it is, y'all, I'm upset mainly because it's inconsistent. I mean, I love the curl. The curl's great. The curls look beautiful. The ones that are dry, they look beautiful. But if it's not gonna dry, what's the point? This is what the roller's taking out. It's still wet. So I'm about to go sit under the dryer and then come back out and fluff. It's dry now. I'm gonna finesse it. But just know, I'm not happy. This is my hair is looking like, you guys. It's alright. First of all, if it's already taken so long to dry that I'm over it. I'm over it. I won't use them again. Unless you got the whole weekend and you start Friday night when you get off from work and you don't want to take them out till Sunday night. And you sit under the dryer for 2 hours. Then you'll be dry, friend. Then you'll be dry. I really wish I would have did a rod set. Of course, my hair is about to be big, so you're not going to necessarily see this. But look at this, y'all. Look at that. My rod sets don't come out like this. Roots too poofy. Like, I'm telling y'all, some of them I twisted my roots. Some of them, I tried. I tried. I will say, though, if you have shorter hair or thinner hair, then these might work for you. Or if you have straight hair. If you have relaxed hair, it'll work. If you have heat damaged hair, it'll work. But if you got 100% natural thick hair, oh, sis. No, ma'am. Just like that to the trash. You heard me. You heard me. I'm serious. No, ma'am. But we're going to try to make it big. I never pick my hair. You guys know, y'all ain't never seen me pick my hair. But here we go, friend. Because we ain't got nothing else to do with this. Like, I'm legit got to wash my hair in a minute. Like, if I walk outside, this wouldn't even be curls no more. Okay, I'm about to put on some makeup. And then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. I tried to make myself look cute, okay? But, you know, I had these in for too long for them not to be dry. So this is a big no for me. I try to make myself look cute. I've been trying to pick it out. I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all because I'm about to do a wash and go. Hope you thought this video was helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to be purchasing them below or if you have them and you love them. Sure, let us know. Let us know what you did possibly different. Let us know your hair type. All that. We want to know, because it looks like if your hair is really thick, if your hair is just like longer, then it just won't work for you. But that's okay, because we have other options. You got perm rods, you got flexi rods. Now we got wave formers. We could do wash and go. You could do a twist out. You could do a braid out. We just got so many possibilities. I just don't feel like this is something you should go out and spend your coins on. So hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.